Don't even ask. I literally just got back from my trip and just showered, and my mom's already trying to give everything to everyone, and I'm like, wait, no, I need to film my haul video first. I have a bunch of stuff I have to get through really quickly. Let's just jump right into it. Hi, I know I missed you. First and foremost, I got my Pandy. I kind of want to name it. I don't know what to name it. If you have any suggestions, leave it. Don't even ask. My mom got a whole ass duck. She said it was good, and then she wanted to get it from the restaurant, and then they did the sealed packing for her. More meat. It's all pork and pork sausages for all the aunties. And then we got some tea, kind of like pu'er, but a more lighter version of it. And some tofu snacks. We got 4 packets of these beef jerky. Seriously, she was trying to sell us on, like, I don't even know if I should say it, rabbit's head. I was like, oh no, what? No. I'm like, oh, no. I will buy anything else. It's not even just rabbit, the head. Rice cake. I just opened this up and it's actually pretty good. A headphone for editing my videos on my computer. Oh, sorry. That was too rough for her. I got a Panda jacket. The store chic or nothing. So this was actually an outfit that I loved so much that I wore on the second day of the trip. This is like a green plaited skirt, and it's so beautiful because it's skinny plaids on top, and then it gradually goes to bigger plaids, so it's like flattering on your body. And I love this sagey green color so much. It's so right now beautiful top, and it has these cute little pearl-like buttons. This skirt is so pretty. It's so elegant, and it could also be dressed up and dressed down. Also another pleated skirt. This was actually one that my mom picked out. And then I got this cute little cardigan with gold buttons. Ooh, oh, besides the Pandy over there, this bookmark that I got is one of my favorite things that I got in this whole Chengdu trip. Okay, now we have to get into the box of snacks my mom literally bought today. Let's get through this before dinner. We have 2 more cute Panda keychains. If you haven't seen my video, they were so cute. One of them were just like eating bamboos, like, oh, it was just like a dream come true, honestly. Some dessert, Chinese like all-mako. This was something that they told us to buy that we have to try. Goes more dried pork, rice cake, more of these. This one is tofu that they said you should eat after drinking. This one's just like another tofu snack that I'm kind of excited to try. It's spicy, but it has 2 different flavors. Some hot pot stock. Can't wait to try the beef jerky. More rice cake. Look at all these Chinese packaging. And this is like a Chinese opera, by the way, if any of you did not know that. These are different flavors. More rice biscuits, black sesame, and peanut candy. I don't know if you saw what that said, but this candy is called dog poop candy. Huh? You have to buy it. This is like a Chengdu thing. If you step on dog poop that morning, you'll be lucky. And I'm like, I don't want to step on dog poop to be lucky. Where else would you find these candies that are named dog poop candy? Mahjong, dessert kind of things, more beef jerky. And that wraps the entire haul that me and my mom got in this whole Chengdu trip.